You wake up, same time, same screen, chasing the same dream you were promised. They told you hard work was the key. But if that's true, why does freedom still feel so far away? You work, you earn, you spend, and somewhere in between, you call that life. But what if the system you trust was never designed to set you free? Because the truth is, you were never taught how money works. You were trained to work for it. You wake up, you work, you earn, you spend, and then you do it all again. They call it life, you call it progress. But somewhere deep down, you know it feels like a loop. The days blur into paychecks, the paychecks blur into bills, and while the numbers move, your time quietly disappears. A salary feels safe until you realize it's not freedom. It's comfort dressed as control. You climb higher, you earn more, you feel proud for a moment, and then the costs rise to meet you. You start working to maintain, not to grow, to survive, not to build. And before you notice it, you've spent your best years keeping a system alive that was never designed to set you free. Most people never see the trap, fewer ever escape it. Because no one told you the truth. You'll work forever until you learn how to make money work for you. They made you believe income equals freedom, but it doesn't. You can earn six figures and still feel broke, because what traps you isn't the amount, it's the pattern. The system rewards effort, not awareness. It celebrates motion, but never meaning. You rise through titles, not through truth. You collect achievements that quietly start to own you. You call it success, but the system calls it control. Every promotion feels like progress, but it's really a tighter chain, polished to look like gold. The illusion is subtle. They make you comfortable enough to stop questioning. The job, the house, the car, they all whisper the same thing. You made it. But somewhere deep down, you know you didn't. You just upgraded the prison walls. So you keep working, harder, longer, thinking one more step will change everything. One more raise, one more year, one more sacrifice. But the ladder you're climbing is leaning against the wrong wall. Freedom doesn't come from climbing higher inside the system. It comes from stepping outside of it and finally seeing it for what it is. Because the truth is simple, you were never meant to escape through effort. You were meant to escape through understanding. The only way out isn't harder work, it's higher understanding. You don't escape the system by fighting it. You escape by learning how it works and by using its rules better than it uses you. Most people were taught how to earn money, but no one taught them how money earns. They chase income. They chase more hours. They chase numbers that never end. But wealth happens when the money you earn builds something that lives without you. That's the shift, from labor to leverage, from trading hours to building systems. You can work for money, or you can learn to make money work for you. The difference isn't luck, it's education, not from school, but from awareness. When you understand how money moves, you stop chasing it. You start directing it. You stop asking, how much can I make? You start asking, how much can I keep? How far can I multiply it? Because leverage isn't a secret, it's skill, it's knowledge, applied with precision. Learning how to sell, how to build, how to invest, how to automate. Skills that don't die when you rest. They compound quietly while you live. That's how you buy back time. Not by working longer, but by working once and letting the system repeat itself. It's not about quitting your job, it's about changing your role in the game. From worker to creator, from consumer to builder, from earner to owner. That's real freedom, the kind they never taught you, because it doesn't start with effort, it starts with understanding. At some point, you stop asking, how do I earn more? And you start asking, Why am I earning at all? Every system gives you a choice. Stay asleep inside it, or wake up and redesign it. And you've become fluent in survival, but silent in leverage. The truth arrives quietly. You were trained to be productive, not free. But freedom doesn't come from working harder inside the system. It comes from stepping above it and designing your own. You don't need to burn it all down. You just need to stop believing the cage is your home. When you shift from earning to understanding, from reacting to building, from consuming to creating, the world stops owning you. Every rule that once trapped you becomes a tool you now control. That's the quiet revolution, the invisible turn, the moment you stop working for money and money starts working for you. Every system gives you a choice. Stay asleep inside it, or wake up and redesign it. You can keep trading time for comfort, or you can start trading knowledge for freedom. One path feels safe, the other feels uncertain, but only one of them is yours. Every system gives you a choice. Stay asleep inside it, or wake up and redesign it. You have that moment now, the pause between reaction and awareness, the space where a new life begins. Learn how money moves, learn how value multiplies, learn how to build systems that work while you rest. Because you can work forever, or you can learn once and buy your time back forever. The choice is simple, the courage to take it isn't.